Hey guys, this week's plant of the week, we are talking about a perennial that is great to pair with things like hostas and ferns, astilbe, and other shade-loving type of perennials. Let me introduce you to Jacob's Ladder. This particular one is very, very cold hardy. Can go down to zone 4 without any problem. And it's the variegated version with its kind of unique blooms, but it's not its claim to fame. Almost reminds me of a wandering Jew flower or something. They do very well in dappled sun. Deep shade, they get a little leggy, like this one is here. I think it's been tucked back underneath a shelf, really deep and dark. They tend to grow a little denser than this. And then once they're done blooming, you can come in, give them a hair top, and they'll come flushing right back. In the fall, they do go to sleep, down to the ground. If you put them in containers, make sure you heel those containers into the earth or bring them indoors somewhere and protect that root ball. Yep, Jacob's Ladder. I love it. This particular one is called Touch of Class and is put out by the Monrovia Company. Feeding, after the last frost, you can give them food, but they're not that fussy about that. They are kind of acid-loving soils, though. You want a pH somewhere around 6-ish, and they'll do very, very well. Variegated, Touch of Class, Jacob's Ladder. Good pairing with those other shade-loving perennials that you may want to get. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate a subscribe if I've earned it. Catch you guys next week. Bye for now.